welcome to another episode of Look Natural. Today's video is going to be on my summer makeup look, and also I'm going to be showing you guys how it's going to be last on my face all day. It's a kind of fresh, dewy, natural and beautiful looking. Alright, so first thing first, I'm going into my serum because it's a summer makeup, so we want a dewy look effect. So just a little. Oh, I got my. Next, I will be applying my cream. This is a nutrition cream. And also guys, I will applying my sunscreen. Just I put a little bit of sunscreen. It's too hot outside. Alright, so now that the face is already prepped, so what I'm gonna do now, I'm going to set this with a loose powder. I'm just going to take a small amount and lightly dust it on my face, and I concentrate where is my T-zone where I get oily. And now I'm going to take once again a setting spray, but now it's a liquid. So let's set this all over my face. Alright, so let's move on to my foundation. So first thing first, I'm going in with my primer because we want this makeup to last all day. So let's apply primer first. This is from Makeup Forever. Then I'm going in with my illuminator. So then I'm just going to blend this with my finger. Or you can use also. Now I'm going in with my foundation. I'm going to use this L'Oreal. Oh, it's not open. It's new. Okay, so just I will take a small amount, and I'm just going to blend this with my fiber brush because it's just give you a airbrush effect. So just lightly blend this on my face. And I'm going in with my concealer. I'm going to take L'Oreal and Maybelline. Just I mix these two because this one is too much lighter than me. So just I will mix a little bit of darker shade. Now let's move on to my eyes. So I'm taking this Anastasia brow gel, and just I follow my natural brows. And then I'm going to take this Sheena just to focus on the outer corner of my eyes. And for my blush, I'm going in with my cream blush. This is from Body Shop. So just I will pop it in. I'm not gonna add any bronzer on my face, so just I will add more blush a little bit. Alright, so I'm just actually gonna add some prickles on my face very lightly, just to give a fresh look. And then I'm gonna add more highlight. I'm using this Makeup Forever. Just apply this on the highest point. And now for my lipsticks, I'm gonna use 3 products. So I have here lip liner and lipstick and lip gloss. So just I draw a line on my lips. And this lipstick, guys, this is Remton. This is my favorite lipstick. So just I will I spray again with the Fix Plus, and basically I'm done with this look. And yeah, I've done with this look. And this look is great, easy, dewy, and youthful, that I've been loving doing. And I hope you guys should like this makeup look. And let me know to subscribe and to my channel. And see you in the next one. See ya.